Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on night light in Windows. So for this case we have to go to the search option. Here I will write or click here before I have wrote. That's why it has been here. Display setting, click here the night light. So use warmer colors to help block blue light. So here I have on it before as because I like to use this on these systems, that's why I on. See, now we can easily turn on these sessions. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.